It's not a sight you usually see on our waters. A fisherman on Bolivar Peninsula just reeled in a lemon shark measuring more than 9 feet long.
Our Pooja Lodia found out we could be seeing even more record-setting catches this summer, Pooja.
Well, Myra, it is all about patience, knowing what exactly is that right moment to reel in something big. Now, you don't have to worry about these sharks. They are way, way off the coast. But fishermen who I spoke to today say that February freeze really messed with this coastline out here, and they are finding all kinds of surprises.
Well, my dad told me last year, he said, you realize you're a professional, and I still don't register that.
Nearly every day since he was born, Cody Davis has fished the Bolivar Peninsula.
I don't know if you got to be half crazy or what, but not everybody can do it. Not everybody wants to do it, but I enjoy it.
He knows the currents and the eddies, the sandbars and the dips. Cody has caught more than 100 sharks here this year, most of them between 4 and 5 feet long. If it weren't for the photos, you might think what happened Friday night was just an old fishtail.
Yeah, he was 110 inches, 9'2", had a 45-inch girth. People ask me how much it weighs. I don't know, I would probably say 250, maybe. He hooked that loop on there.
It was dark, about 11 o'clock. Cody could see just enough to launch a waterproof drone with Tasty Stingray about 350 yards into the Gulf. When the shark bites, the fishing pole jerks and the battle begins.
To be honest with you, my first reaction was I teared up. Really. I've been doing this so long and never caught one that big, and I guess it was just a reassurance to all the work that I put in, and it made me tear up. I don't fear them, I respect them.
It took 2 extra friends to get the shark to shore, an apex predator here for a short visit.
You know, them sharks won't back in the water as much as I want to put them back in the water, so we come up with a mutual agreement. It takes a lot of patience, and you got to put your time in. I mean, as of that day I caught that 9'2", my biggest fish was 7 foot, and I've been out here fishing for 25 plus years, you know, and have stayed on this beach for 26 hours straight shark fishing, trying to catch a bigger one.
It's amazing. And in case you were wondering, he says that the shark felt kind of like sandpaper, and it wasn't the teeth or the jaws that really scared him. It was actually the tail thrashing around. Reporting live, Pooja Lodia, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.